How to make Vietnamese Banh and Choi. Vietnamese cuisine is known for its bold and complex flavors, and one popular dessert that exemplifies this is Banh and Choi. This sweet and savory rice cake is a favorite among Vietnamese pho. To make Banh and Choi, you will need the following ingredients: 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, ½ cup of sugar, ½ a teaspoon of salt, ½ cup of shredded coconut, ½ cup of roasted sesame seeds, ½ cup of roasted peanuts, chopped, ½ cup of dried shrimp, chopped, ½ cup of scallions, chopped, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. To begin, mix the glutinous rice flour, sugar, and salt together in a large bowl. Slowly add in water, stirring constantly, until the mixture forms a thick and sticky dough. Knead the dough. In a separate bowl, mix together the shredded coconut, roasted sesame seeds, chopped peanuts, dried shrimp, and scallions. Add the vegetable oil and mix well. Divide the rice dough into small balls, about the size of a golf ball. Flatten each ball into a disc, and place a spoonful of the coconut and nut mixture into the center of the disc. Fold th. Place the balls on a steamer tray lined with parchment paper, and steam for 20 to 25 minutes, until the cakes are cooked through and tender. Banh and Choi can be served warm or at room temperature, and is often enjoyed with a cup of hot tea or coffee. The combination of sweet and savory flavors, along with the chewy texture of the. In addition to its delicious flavor, Banh and Choi is also a popular street food in Vietnam, and can often be found at local markets and food stalls. It is a perfect snack for those who want. Banh and Choi is not only a popular dessert in Vietnam, but it also has cultural significance. The name en Choi translates to eating and playing, which refers to the tradition of enjoying. In Vietnam, Banh and Choi is often made during the Lunar New Year, or Tet, which is the most important holiday in Vietnamese culture. Families will gather together to make and enjoy this dish. Banh and Choi also has regional variations across Vietnam. In the northern regions, the filling is often made with pork floss, dried shrimp, and green onions. In the southern regions, the fill. In recent years, Banh and Choi has gained popularity outside of Vietnam, and can now be found in Vietnamese restaurants and bakeries around the world. Its unique combination of sweet and savour. Making Banh and Choi is not only a delicious culinary experience, but it can also be a fun and interactive activity to do with friends and family. In Vietnam, making Banh and Choi is often a s. During the process, people may share stories and memories, or simply enjoy each other's company while making the dessert. This tradition of communal cooking and dining is an important part of. In addition to Banh and Choi, Vietnamese cuisine features a wide variety of desserts, ranging from sweet cakes and pastries to refreshing fruit-based desserts. One popular dessert is Choi. Vietnamese desserts often feature a combination of sweet, salty, and savory flavors, and are known for their use of fresh and natural ingredients. Many Vietnamese desserts also have cultural